Now, if you remember when we planted these sweet potatoes, they were just little bitty slips in the containers. These have been in water for, a couple months. Good morning. About to plant some sweet potatoes. Let's get after this. Got some really nice roots coming down through the bottom. These ought to do just fine. I think our next project is start the sweet potato harvest. We'll see what we get. Welcome back to the garden. It is September 21st. We have to dig sweet potatoes. You'll never believe what we found last night as it was getting dark. Yep, we're gonna have to harvest sweet potatoes this week. They're already coming out of the ground. I'm kind of excited to see what we have going on in here. Jackpot! Look at what we found. And we're gonna have a bunch, it looks like, because there's number 2. Unless I just broke it off at the bottom. And there's a sweet potato. Yeah, we're digging them tomorrow. We're digging them tomorrow evening. Sometimes the gardener will tell you what you need to do next. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the vines back and check underneath as we go. We'll see what we get. Look at that. See, this vine had rooted. It produced a sweet potato. That one's not very big, but that's off of a runner. So we're gonna carefully go through this, trim the vines back as we go. Wherever they're in the ground, we're gonna make sure there's not a potato underneath them. Oh, look at that. You can see it too, I know you can. Look at that. Oh my goodness. One little bug hole, not a big deal. Maybe eat that one tonight. Oh my goodness. It's not so big. Oh, that was perfect size. Let's see what, carefully take these. I'm gonna just cut these as we go. I know some of you are saying, get a shovel and dig them up. As part of this no-till, I want to disturb the ground as little as possible. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And this is a testament to the no-till, deep mulch. See how soft this ground is? Look at that. These are bigger than the ones I used to get. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was out there just a little ways. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And this is all just off of the one little slip. One little slip made all of these potatoes. And we're not done yet. Oh my goodness. Oh! Now that's a monster. Look at that. That is a monster. That's the potatoes off of one slip. And we got all of that to do. Stick with me. When we come up with some more monsters, I'll show you what we got. We're gonna go around this edge and see what we get. See where it's rooting in. Where they root in, these are tender, these are beautiful. See, if we had more of a growing season, I think these little ones would grow to nice sized potatoes. But we're definitely gonna eat those little ones. So here we go. Look at that. Or some big ones. So even after we're done, I'm probably gonna have to go back through here a time or two. Ho 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 ho! That one pretty good. There's another one. Not so big, but he's beautiful. Even though we're finding some nice little potatoes where the vines have rooted, I believe the majority of the potatoes are going to be under where the main plant was planted. Some of these vines we're going to go ahead and put in a mulch pile. Some of these vines we're going to go ahead and put in the compost pile. Pull them up slowly, just in case. Some of these vines we're just going to leave out here on the garden as part of the mulch. I know these vines are all very new, so I'd be surprised if they even had time to make a potato. Although, I'm easily surprised. Anywhere they seem stuck, we'll stop and check. Since I have no idea where the main plant was planted, these are all pretty much new vines on this side. I'm gonna plow right through the middle and we'll see what we get. The minute I said that, I'm gonna pull a side branch just to make a little more room. Look what we got. These 4 grew right off the roots. And wow. Okay, let's see what we got here. There's our army of worms helping us out. These are all off of the vines. And that was vines that just rooted into a pile of grass. Look at that. There's another one right off a vine. There's a couple. Oh my goodness. Woo-hoo. These are beautiful. Right in the grass piles. Where else? What else? Got one down in here. What else? There you go. Oh my goodness. Jackpot! Oh man! Okay, I gotta make sure you can see what I'm gonna see here. You'll see, just wait. Wait for it. I'm not even sure what it looks like yet. Look at that. Yeah, that one's a little older. But I think once we peel it, that's going to be just fine. Let's see what we can find here. Oh. How's that for a spud? Almost as good as that one for a spud. Just keep on plowing. Think you can see what I can see. Wow. Wow. That is gorgeous. That is, wow. This one's hooked onto this vine. Not be very big. I don't want to break it. All right. All right. Wow. Look at that. That's beautiful. Oh, you're a monster. That is fantastic. Oh, broke the very bottom off, but that is awesome. And that's just hooked to a vine. Oh man. Get some more of these out of the way. A couple in here. Didn't want to do that. There you go. There's that rocky clay and that deep mulch. These were able to grow down pretty good. Wow. All right. There's that. There's this. Oh, what we got going on here? No way. Look at that. Oh, there's a little one. Oh. And that one. Well, there you go. There's a few little sweet taters there. There's a little one. And that one ran down in there. Where this one broke off is this one. This huge one. Look how far that thing ran. And it bent back. That is amazing. All right. Well, we got that. And we got this guy. And a little one. See if we can get this guy out without... Holy buckets. And there's another one. Oh, that is just fantastic. That is fantastic. Oh man. That's better than Christmas. Wow. Oh, I broke the... Oh no. It's not very big. Oh, come on. No, it's not very big. Don't break. Oh no, don't break. I think we got a couple more patches over here we need to take care of. That's as much as I'm going to do tonight. Now this is a testament to the deep mulch. In all seriousness, we started with one piece of potato. Almost every one of these slips came off the same slice of potato. You can grow a lot of food in a very small area. It's going to get dark. I think I'm about half done. I still have this patch, the patch behind you. There's only about 4 or 5 more hills. We're gonna go ahead and let these wilt down in the garden, and we'll use those as mulch, spread those out, and then we'll cover those with leaves and grass clippings and anything else I can get my hands on. It's not such a bad haul. For now, I'm gonna peel one of these and have some dinner. Thanks for coming to the garden, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.